Bruce, you must have stories that your clients tell you about, real world stories, some of the success stories. I mean, if you want to relay any, if not, we can wait.
Yeah, no, I've thought, yeah. So, we sell our solution around the world. We've got thousands of customers in all sorts of vertical markets. I'd say a couple that come to mind that are, maybe most interesting is there's a retailer, quick serve retailer up in the Northeast called Sheetz. Folks that live up there know the brand. But yeah, they went through a virtualization project where they were in a world where they had different applications running on different pieces of hardware, whether maybe it was a desktop here, a small server there. So they had a massive company-wide initiative to virtualize the stores, and we were part of it. So they went with StorMagic because we were the only ones that could deliver a simple to install, simple to use and manage. For the comments we were just making about management, they manage everything remotely, obviously, but it's only two servers, and that was the big thing for them, is that everyone else was needing to put three servers in there. We only need two. Now's not the time to explain all the technical details of how, but it's basically a remote witness that runs anywhere, and we have very, very high availability. We have customers that have been running for years and years and years. I was looking last night that one of our customers telling us it's been up for 8 years.
Wow.
It just runs. It just runs in the
Mhm.
background. So Sheetz used our two server solution for the simplicity of it, but it gave them the high availability they needed to now virtualize all of their in-store apps, run them on two servers, and they're as happy as they can be. They keep adding stores every year to our environment. So there's one good case study in the retail space.
Great.